Nonprofit leaders, do you know how to identify your ideal major donors? Let me tell you this. While at the foundation I helped launch, early on we received gifts from a gentleman we had never met. The gifts came at various times during the year and in various amounts, all over $1,000. I tried to contact the gentleman by phone, but he never returned my calls. He did, however, respond to my emails, so we carried on for some time corresponding through email. We were a national organization. When we explained that we would be in his area and we hoped to meet him, he went silent. When I left the foundation, he was still contributing and had given close to $40,000. Unbelievable, right? Let me say, this is not how you secure major gifts. This is an anomaly. The foundation was new, and we were throwing a wide net in our efforts to capture supporters at any level. We happened to capture him in that wide net. Clearly, I don't recommend you're spending a sizable amount of time or money casting a wide net to capture major donors. There's a better way, and it involves identifying those who are likely to give at a significant level. And the good news is, I have the formula for you in identifying your ideal major donors. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. I provide overwhelmed leaders of nonprofit with a roadmap to raise more money through major gifts. I teach a fundraising system that results in your being more comfortable, confident, and successful with fundraising. Okay, you want to be very intentional in creating a major donor prospect list. Those who would likely support your efforts with a large contribution. Your time is limited and you focus on major gifts because you need the resources to advance your mission. This formula is your ticket to creating your ideal major donor prospect list. Okay, here's the formula. Number 1, they must have the ability to give. Start by looking for those with the capacity to give at a significant level. That level is defined by you. You are looking for upper giving levels and consistent giving. These are key markers. They are indicators of a person's ability to give at a significant level. You must spend your time identifying, cultivating those with the means to make a large gift. Okay, number 2, they must be passionate about your cause. Donors' values, interests, and passions are the main driver in a person's decision to make a gift, certainly a major gift. Without question, look at people's patterns of giving in the community and to your organization. Passion leaves a trail. Then go beyond taking that initial look. Get to know your current and prospective donors. Find out where their passion lies within your organization. Okay, number 3, and last in identifying major donors, they must be philanthropic. A person who is philanthropic is simply evidenced again by their past giving. Just because someone can give does not mean they will give. Don't spend time cultivating a person just because they are wealthy. You cannot talk with a person with their back to you. In summary, once you know the prospect has the means to give, is passionate about your mission, and is philanthropic, put them on your prospect list. Engage with them in meaningful and effective ways. Your list will change as you discover more information about the prospects on your list. Hey, if you are a small nonprofit, it's okay you do not have an army, a prospect research staff, or a software program to identify potential major donors. Without question, you can create a very valuable prospect list without those high dollar resources. Use this criteria to establish a filter and create a top major donor prospect list. My goal as a fundraising coach is to help you be successful. Fundraising success means focusing on what brings results. You must focus on securing the large gifts, major gifts, no matter the size of your organization. Okay, I want you to keep these 3 attributes in mind when creating your ideal major donor prospect list. If this information resonates with you, like it, share it, tell your staff and others about it. To receive these weekly insights and more, click here and go to fundraisingmaximize.com. Look for that bright green button. Again, that's fundraisingmaximize.com. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.